Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Harun. In this video, I am going to share my reflection and explanation about an article I have read. The title is Writing Skill, Literates and Social Apps, written by Muhammad Muzamil Sohil, published in the Creative Launcher Journal in 2017. In this short presentation, I will answer three guiding questions. First, which reading text did I choose and why? And second, what was the most important thing that I learned from the text? And third, what additional thoughts or questions came to my mind while reading and reflecting on it? Okay, let's start. First questions. Which reading text did I choose and why? The article I chose explores how social media applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter have influenced people's writing skills and grammar accuracy. The author argues that while social apps make communication faster and easier, they also make users, even educated ones, less careful about spelling, grammar, and proper sentence structures. Many people use short forms such as letter U for you, and letter G, R, and number H for great, or letter B, number 4, and letter U for before you. Sohil conducted his study in District Ramban, Jammu and Kashmir, focusing on teacher and literate individuals. The findings revealed that handwriting skills and formal writing habits are declining as people now rely heavily on phones and digital devices. I choose this article because it's very relevant to our everyday lives. As students living in the digital age, we communicate through social apps daily. Sometimes we forgot to use proper English when texting. This article catch my attention because it reflects how technology can unconsciously change our language behavior. It reminded me that as digital user, we must still preserve accuracy and discipline in writing. The second question, the most important thing I learned. The main lesson I learned from this article is that technology and writing discipline must stay in balance. Social media has both positive and negative effects. On one side, it helps us to connect instantly and even learn new words. But on the other side, it encourages speed over accuracy. People type fast, use abbreviations, and ignore grammar. Over time, this habit can weaken our formal writing ability. The author also explains that handwriting is disappearing. In the past, writing by hand trained people to think clearly and organize ideas. Now, typing replaced that process, which often leads to careless and shallow writing. Another important point is that the meaning of literacy is changing. Before, being literate meant being able to read and write correctly. Today, being literate also includes being able to use digital tools. However, many literates now write like illiterates online, using wrong grammar and invented spellings. From this, I learned that technology itself not the problem, it depends on how we use it. If used wisely, social apps can help improve communication and learning. But if used carelessly, they can damage our language quality. And the third question, additional thoughts and question. While reading this article, I began to ask myself, can social apps actually be used for learning? Maybe teachers could integrate them into writing activities. For example, using WhatsApp or Facebook to practice short reflection or discussion in correct English. I also realized that I need to protect my own writing habits. I should practice formal writing more often and check my grammar even in casual messages. Finally, the article made me think about our responsibility as literates. If educated people write carelessly, others will imitate them. So we must set good examples, showing that even in digital space, correct language still matters. To conclude, the article Writing Skill Literates and Social Apps by Muzammil Sohail shows that technology has changed how we communicate, but we must not let it reduce our writing standard. The key message I learned is simple. Use technology smartly but keep your language correct. Let's enjoy the benefits of social media while maintaining the discipline of good writing. Okay, that's all my explanation and my presentation. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.